Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good proper vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you are amazing, you're feeling amazing. Today I'm going to be making some macaroni and salt fish. Where are my saltfish lovers? Where are my pasta lovers? So here are our lovely ingredients. Some macaroni or spaghetti if it's that you have. You know, we take what and just make what? Fashion. We do what we want to do in the kitchen. And a boatload of saltfish. Okay, so here I'm just putting some water in the pot because we have to get rid of the excess salt out of the saltfish. So I'm using a good amount of saltfish, right? But guess what? Suppose it's one piece you have. Then put it in the pot and get rid of that salt. Use what you have. So I'm going to be scalding it off 2 times. Boiling it 2 times. So this is the first time. As soon as it boil up, pour off the water. Pour some fresh water on it, right? And then put it back to boil. I am doing it 2 times. That's all I need. I only need it 2 times because I don't want to get rid of all of the salt. No, the saltfish should taste of salt, just not too much. So this is the second boil up and I'm adding some water, then leave it to boil. So here I am preparing some onions. Yes, Vibes fam, you need all the extraness in this dish. It helps to make it so lusciously deliciously. So, and I love a lot of onion in my food, right? As long as it cook, not raw. So just pour off the water. This is the second boil up. So pour off the water, and if you want, you can get some cold water on it. Say you don't have time to set it aside to cool, that is okay. Just pour some water on it or get some cold water on it, and yeah, that brings down the temperature real fast, and then you can pick it up to the desired size that you want it. So set that aside. Okay, so now let's prepare our macaroni. So I'm putting some hot water in my pot, and you know guys, I always have hot water ready while I'm cooking. When I'm cooking, add some salt, and I added my macaroni. Now I'm adding some oil. The oil is to help to keep it separated when it boils, and in between the cook time always go and stir your macaroni, right? Okay, so now here is my favorite, my green sweet pepper, bell pepper, whatever you want to call it. I love it. So of course I'm going to have a lot of this in this dish, in this recipe. So here I'm just cutting it up. Do it whichever way you want to do it, Vibes Sam. We just need the food to taste good. So do you. And then now I'm going in with some orange. Yes, so all the colors because you want the thing to be popping. But guess what? If you don't like sweet pepper, then leave it out. Vibes Sam, you put what you want to put in your food. It's your food. It must taste good. You must love how it tastes. So me love sweet peppers, so I'll be adding it. And here I am doing some scallion. Chop them up. Finish. And of course some tomato, spelled the same way. And cut that up. And yeah, I'm not doing it too fine, just an alright size. And here are all my niceness that I cut up. Yup, that's them. So now I'm going to be picking up my saltfish because it's ready to be sized, right? So I'm going to get it to the size that I want, right? To what I want to eat. So I'm sure you have some people who really like when them saltfish maybe minuscule, like it not so visible. That's okay. Just do the thing. By the way, this is boneless saltfish. Pre this. So there's always, and when I say always, just always look out for some bone. Same way. Even though it's a boneless. Yes, pre-bone. And it's not only them 3, them I did fine. So this is the saltfish all done, and now here's the macaroni. Give it a stir because you don't want them to stick together. Now pour it in the I'm pouring off the water, and I'm going to set that aside so that I can use it. Oh, by the way, when you pour off the water, please take a spoon or something and give it a stir. You want to kind of ensure that them not stick together so much. So blaze up some fire under the pot. Okay, and now we're adding some oil to the pot. Yes, Vibes Sam. So what I did, I added the salt fish to the oil, right? My pot was hot and everything. So what I want to do, you see the taste of the salt fish, I really want to maximize on flavor. I want the salt fish to really not burn, for the flavors to be infused in the oil to really get all up in there. So I'm just putting that in first. So now I let it fry for about 2 minutes. And then now I added onion, all of my sweet peppers. I'm gonna be adding all them colors and give it a stir. Combine everything. Yes, Vibes Sam, look at it looking so beautiful. So pretty, gorgeous. By the way, Vibes Sam, you do know that this can be eaten just like this, right? Just with the onion and sweet pepper. I just added some minced garlic, by the way. But yeah, just like this with the sweet peppers and the onion and the garlic and the saltfish by itself. Yes, muchos niceos. I'm telling you, so good. But of course, that's not what we are making today. So we're gonna add more stuff. So you let this fry up and infuse all the flavors for about 5 minutes. So now I'm adding the scallion and the tomatoes and incorporate those. Now I added those kind of later because I don't want the tomato like just to fizzle down and then get so soft and then you can't really see it, right? You can't really see the color because we need for these to be popping. We need for everything to be populicious. It needs to look good and taste good. So now I'm adding some crushed pepper. Yeah, some crushed chili or something. Whatever pepper you want to add it, right? If you want pepper in there, just add it. So yeah, Vibes Sam, I just added my macaroni and then I'm gonna stir up everything. Mix it up, get a nice proper mix. Vibes Fam, I'm telling you, somebody need to invent smelly vision. Invent it for me, please. So here I'm adding some black pepper because Vibes Fam, listen, you need to smell what's going on in this kitchen. It is so good. So good. So yeah, I'm adding some black pepper. Give that a mix up. And Vibes Fam, just look. Oh, yes, look at good. Look at good. Yes, good. Looks so delicious. It looks so delicious. And here now I am going to add some green peas. Now sometime I make it and I don't put the green peas and sweet corn in there. This day I was feeling like it, but most times I don't put it in there. But guess what, Vibes Sam, do what you want to do. Add what you want to add. You don't have to add everything that you see me add. I tell you guys all the time, this is food. All of us like different things. Add to your food what you like. Because Vibes Fam, we should all enjoy what we eat. So just add whatever you like to your food, right? Yes. And Vibes Fam, here we have it. Here we have this lovely, luscious mix up, nice up. Come together up, come together up. Vibes up. This is so delicious, just nice, and just just all of that. Yes, techie in the saltfish. You see those little pieces of saltfish. You see those sweet peppers. Yes, you see them coming through. Come through. And of course, yes, look at that saltfish. Look at you looking so brown and nice. I see you. Yes, and you see those sweet corn and green peas. Listen, and guess what? You might have somebody who loves broccoli. So you see them dashing broccoli. Guess what? We don't pre them. Do your thing. If you like that, add what you like. We should all enjoy our food, and all of us like different things. So guess what? Put whatever you like into your macaroni and saltfish, right? Yeah, just go for it. But Vibes Fam, this is so delicious. Let me know if you try it. And Vibes Fam, please go and follow me on Instagram. I want to see you there. So the link is in the description box. Please like and subscribe. God bless you.